Hello, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so we are going thrift shopping today and probably we might do our nails from there. So we just want to take you guys along. We are inside the taxi now on our way. Okay, see you when we get to our destination. Where are we going to first?
Go to get the stuff.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down the fire.
I'm still thinking of this black dress.
It's nice. But if you want to, you just have to get like
I like the material.
a colored shoe, like shoe that's a shouty shoe a little bit,
Yeah.
or the bag.
The size number.
That's why I say you should check it first now.
I can't test now.
I not say you should test, just check the length first. I'm just worried about the chest though. That's baby calling.
Boss size. Look at this shirt.
On it. Not bad. It's not bad. You get a jean trouser with this, like black jean though. This one or navy blue, like that dark blue. Yeah. Then going to tuck in the front there and you leave the back.
Yeah. I now have quite a shirt.
Congrats.
This one will be fine for wearing at home.
I'm not a guy. I'm a girl.
Caskets.
Turn the front. Please buy for me.
Is it skirt though?
It's skirt. Please buy
Fine.
for me.
It's nice, but
I want it.
I think I showed you this jacket that day.
No. It's cool.
You are.
Yo. Can just wear a jean trouser, then you wear like a, all these. How am I going to put it?
Camisole. Singlet.
No, this top that is turtleneck, like long, and you understand,
Yeah.
but it's bodycon dress top.
Okay.
But don't you won't wear black inside though.
Look at that.
I don't like it.
It's 3 years. Right. Okay. So, this is it. How many did I pick?
That's the only place you want to check.
I think the other places are. It's true. Let me see if I see shirts here. I feel this place is for oversize.
For church.
Yeah, I have something like this too.
They don't buy. Can just go to another lane now. Singlet is nice.
Yeah,
Just for house, yes.
fine, but it's big. It's for fat people.
We are not. We are 10 people, very tiny. No, but she, she's bigger than me.
This one too is not that bad.
Let me see. I don't like it. The white is fading.
Yeah. I think we'll go with this one I selected already. Not seeing anything here again. Wow. See?
I don't want. If you like it, pick. I don't like it. Are you okay? What did you just bring come out?
This should be the bag. This is the bag. It's the bag. Okay. It's okay.
It's not okay. Go.
Here.
No.
I'm not enjoying what I'm seeing.
No. You like it?
Looks funny.
Yeah. Really funny.
I think let's just the clothes. It's okay, let's cross check the one we picked already. So, one. Do you really like?
Drop it if you don't want.
For me too, I like this skirt shower.
But I like it. If you don't want, I'll take it.
This shirt, don't you think it to be too big on me?
Oh, that's slim fit.
Get back to sleep fish.
Your chest is going to carry the clothes. That's it.
Really?
Yeah.
And that one. These two light shirts now. I ain't going for it.
You do not want it. Why?
This one is too big. And this one,
Please buy that one for me.
I can take it.
What's there? What happened? If you want to return, you can return though. It's your choice. Not mine. Since you said you are looking for packing shirt for church, so what's up?
Yeah.
Don't buy it if you know you will not wear it too.
I'll wear it.
So you not look as if it's joy that say you should buy it.
Yeah, so we just finished shopping for clothes. Then we did not see much, but we managed to get some things. So we are going to do our nails right now. So see you when we get there. Hello.
Which one is not face mask?
Eh?
Definitely, you know before now. You don't have, you are not going in.
Do our nails. Yeah. Okay.
Why are we signing in?
So you don't know? You know that place the entering GP, you write your name.
I don't know.
Write your name.
Okay, thank you.
Man, it's as if they have changed this place. So we are in the salon now. Want to do that one. I carry my nails like this since January. The last time we came here was your birthday.
On my birthday.
January 20, 21 or 12? 21. My toenails if you see my toenails, I think I have a video of it. I'm going to put it so that you see what my toenails look like. But it's all good. I'm gonna do something about it right now. Today is that day. Hi, look at somebody's toenails. It's not even sexy at all. Since January, all the polish clean on their own. This one is still proving stubborn. Don't want to clean. Okay. Any day I feel like I'm gonna do it.
Give me the reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down the fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground, what goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you wanna say, go take it all away, but I'm here to stay, no you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down the fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me.